Here's a strange truth. The length of a day on Earth isn't fixed. It's slowly stretching out, getting just a tiny bit longer every single century. And the culprit behind it all? Our very own moon. The moon's gravity tugs on Earth's oceans, raising bulges of water on both sides of the planet. As Earth spins, it rotates beneath these bulges. This sets up a constant gravitational tug-of-war between the two worlds. Because Earth spins faster than the moon orbits, the tidal bulge gets dragged slightly ahead of the moon. The moon's gravity pulls back on this bulge, acting like a gentle brake. Bit by bit, this friction slows Earth's rotation. The energy lost from Earth's spin doesn't just vanish, it gets transferred to the moon. This pushes the moon into a higher, wider orbit, causing it to drift away from us by about 3.8 centimeters every year. In effect, the moon is slowly stealing Earth's rotational energy. We can actually see this history in nature. Fossilized corals and shells lay down daily growth bands, and ancient ones reveal there were once over 400 days in a year. Around 620 million years ago, a single day lasted only about 22 hours. At this pace, days lengthen by roughly 2 milliseconds each century. So slow you'd never notice. But given enough time, hundreds of millions of years, those milliseconds add up. Eventually, Earth could see days stretching to 25 hours long. So the next time you wish for more hours in the day, just be patient. The universe is slowly granting that wish. It's a beautiful reminder that even time itself is in motion. If you enjoyed this cosmic journey, hit like and subscribe for more wonders of the universe.